as I continue my journey on the road of wellness to seek and provide solutions to a whole lot of lifestyle challenges, I get to meet some amazing people from all walks of life, sharing their inspirational and very, very motivating stories. Well, I've come to realize that every challenge in life can be dealt with positively, deliberately, intelligently, and with the right intentions. At the recently concluded Radiant Wellness Conclave 2016, we addressed secrets of leading a radiant life through the 8 dimensions of wellness. Had some amazing speakers flying over from all over the world. We had Naseem Jivraj speaking on emotional wellness, where she speaks on emotional quotient and emotional intelligence. She reiterates that how important it is to be emotionally well within yourselves, to accept if you have a challenge, and then to treat yourself and then be a support to society. We had Viti Gaur Gopal Prabhu, the spiritual guru, speaking to us on spiritual wellness. And he told us never to let the remote of our happiness slip into another person's hand. It's all in your control. Financial guru Babu Krishnamurthy spoke about how you manage your finance and how important it is to cut your coat according to the cloth. We had Colonel David Devasayam speaking on occupational wellness. An ardent infantry soldier after 29 years being in uniform, coming out and being a very successful entrepreneur, tells us that how important it is to lead a 24-hour capsule positively, to lead it well, and to realize that it's never too late to change your career. We had Archana Gupta Garodia speaking on social wellness, and she spoke about how important it is to be socially active and to connect with a lot of people all the time and to be proactive about it. We had a lovely panel discussion where we addressed unconventional careers in a conventional environment. This was moderated by Jennifer Arul, and we had people like Captain Asha who shared her experience being a commercial airline pilot. Of course, we had Dr. Santosh Babu, who has completely digitalized Pumpuhar, and Devi Tyagarajan, who spoke to us on her thought behind Dakshin Chitra. So it has been an amazing conclave with some very, very inspirational speakers. We had the superpower twins, Nungshi and Tashi, the twins who conquered all the 7 peaks, spoke on physical wellness, and their insight, especially to the younger generation, was very inspiring. Of course, we had Veer Sangvi speak on intellectual wellness, and he left behind a thought to all my audience, saying that it's time to change. Are you all up to it? And of course, R. Madhavan, our favorite actor and producer, spoke on holistic wellness and his insight towards wellness in a very, very holistic dimension was absolutely inspiring. And the icing of the cake, of course, was felicitating our legend, our only astronaut, the Indian astronaut who went to space, Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma, Ashok Chakra. And he spoke about so many things, including how yoga helped him in outer space. So dear friends, in life, if you're facing any situation, it could be emotional, it could be physical, it could be financial, it could be spiritual, it could be any dimension, attributing to any dimension of wellness, always look back and refer our videos, because trust me, the speakers have been truly inspirational and they deserve to be heard. So in all the YouTube videos which are going to come after this, you're going to hear them all speak on 8 dimensions of wellness. If any of you have any inspirational stories to share, or you want to be part of the wellness talks with me, please feel free to write personally to me at md@radiantmedicalservices.com. I would repeat that, md@radiantmedicalservices.com. I'll definitely answer your mails, and it would be wonderful to have you in my show. As usual, I'm going to end with borrowing Madhavan's own sentence. He says, chew your water and drink your food. Food for thought, isn't it? So continue subscribing to our channels, dear friend, and share it with your family and friends. I'll see you very soon. Stay radiant, stay blessed, and stay extremely happy. Goodbye. God bless.